So in this question it says, given vectors a and b, draw vector c that satisfy the equation a minus 2b plus c equals 0. So initially we have what's written on the whiteboard. We have the vector a this way and vector b going this way. This is the head and this is the tail for b. And this is the head and the tail for a. Now next thing we're gonna do is solve for c based on the equation. So we're gonna move the c to the right side, and that's going to give us negative c equal a minus 2b. So if you multiply by negative 1 on both sides, we're gonna get a positive value for c. Is gonna be 2b minus a. Now in this figure or picture, if we go a little bit up, we could say that this whole thing is going to be 2b, this value right here, and minus a this side. So that's how we come up with the vector c this way. So what we just did to find the vector c was connect the head of vector a to the head of vector b. 2b. So overall, we just see what the question is asking. We drew the vector c, and we made sure that it satisfies the equation a minus 2b plus 0 equals 0. So as we can see here, a minus 2b plus 2b minus a would be 0. And the 2a was representing the c. So we know that the answer is correct.